Okay, so now we're going to look at if cotangent, I'm going to use a different letter for you guys, beta, just so you guys see that they mean the same thing, equals -4/3, and sine beta is less than 0. I need to find cosine beta and cosecant beta. All right, the first piece to this, we need to go ahead and find all our pieces to what we're working with. So if cotangent beta is -4/3, then tangent beta equals -3/4. So for instance, this is our, what is this? Opposite, -3 over our adjacent. And so we know that -3 squared plus 4 squared is going to give us our hypotenuse squared. So then we can work backwards. So this is 9 plus 16 equals h squared. That's 25 equals h squared. Square root h equals plus or minus 5. Well, what is it going to be? H is always going to be a positive, that hypotenuse. So we get a +5 as our answer. So that means we can go ahead and say that cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, is 4/5. Oops, and we are not using that. We are using beta this time. You gotta catch me on that one. And then cosecant. Well, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So sine is a -3/5. So cosecant is 5/-3, which can be read as -5/3 as well. And that's it for that one.